by the tree.
Yes, I'm filming you.
Oh, hi.
Hi, we're out in our, after the blizzard.
Yeah.
Look, I think I see Johnny shoveling.
Those are lovely boots you're wearing.
Look, there's Johnny. Of course, I'm wearing tennis shoes because my boots are in my car, which is not home because I had to pull over.
I never said I married a Boy Scout.
My car is down off of, what is it, Puritan something or other? Yeah, I may never get it back. Yeah, and take half the side of the car off. Everybody's out shoveling. And we're just trying to stay warm. There's about 2 feet of snow. Then you got the drifts. Snow stacked along the driveway about 3 to 4 feet high. It is a lot of snow here for Damascus. And I'm really tempted to buy a snowblower because this is a lot of snow. Streets have not been touched. We have about 2 feet of snow in the road, and we are not sure how we're going to get to work tomorrow. So we will see what happens. But here is our lovely street, which looks like some country path. Okay, I'm signing out.